Hello and welcome, my friends. We're going to paint a peaceful winter landscape together, step by step, and bring its calm beauty to life on canvas. In this painting, I begin with a large, flat brush, blending warm yellow and red tones from the center of the canvas outward, moving both upward and downward to establish the glowing base of the sky. Gradually, by adding more red and a touch of blue, I shift the colors into soft purples and violets, using this same palette to paint both the sky and its reflection on the water below. Next, I add white with just a hint of black to create a muted, misty layer of distant trees, allowing the background to stay soft and atmospheric. Where the sun will be placed, I brighten the color with yellow and white and gently repeat that same glow as a reflection shimmering on the surface of the water. With a mix of white, black, yellow, and red, I create a darker tone and start shaping the far trees with minimal detail. Moving closer to the foreground, the trees become deeper in value and more defined, with clearer branches and stronger contrast. Using a small round brush and thinned paint, I paint the tree trunks. First, the distant ones, which appear thinner and shorter, and then the foreground trunks, taller, thicker, and darker. A liner brush helps me freely sketch the delicate branches. Once the trees are complete, I paint their reflections in the water using the same colors. The brush moves gently up and down in soft vertical strokes to keep the reflections slightly blurred and natural. I then extend the reflected tree trunks downward, keeping them loosely symmetrical to maintain the calm surface of the water. Now I move on to the snow-covered ground surrounding the lake. Using a blend of white with a touch of blue and a very small amount of black, I start from the distance and gradually work forward, filling in the snowy banks beneath the trees and along the water's edge. I add subtle variations, slightly darker areas for shadows, and brighter highlights where the snow catches the light, so the surface doesn't feel flat. I also paint a soft reflection of the snow in the water, using the same snowy color but thinned down, allowing it to fade gently into the darker tones of the lake. A thin, darker line defines the boundary between land and water, while soft blue-gray shadows are added across the snow to suggest uneven ground, gentle slopes, and natural depth. Finally, with a round brush and a mix of yellow and white, I softly place the sunlight where it filters through the trees, letting the glow spread subtly into the surrounding sky. I mirror that warm light in the water as well, enhancing the golden reflection among the trees and along the lake's surface. I step back, review the painting, and add the final small details until everything feels balanced and complete. Thank you so much for painting along with me. I hope you enjoyed this process. If you did, please support the channel with a like, a comment, or a share. It truly means a lot and helps the channel grow.